Hey, what's up guys, it's Kausub here, and today guys, welcome to my detailed PUBG mobile gaming review of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max guys, and in today's video we'll be playing PUBG mobile on it. And also guys, this video will be done in two halves. So in the first half of the video guys, I will be playing PUBG mobile on the Note 10 Pro Max without GFX tool, and will be using the stock default smooth and ultra settings at 40 fps. And in the second half of the video guys, I'll be playing PUBG mobile with the help of GFX tool at smooth and extreme settings at 60 fps. So with this we can get an idea as to how the Note 10 Pro Max performs and how the 732G performs in this Note 10 Pro Max. So do watch the complete video till the end guys, and just like always, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So guys, starting with the gameplay, here I have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with me, and I have installed PUBG Mobile onto it guys. And in the first half of the video guys, as I have told you, we will be playing the game on the default settings, which is the max it can go is up to smooth and ultra settings guys. These two options guys are available because I have used the config files, but in the first half of the video guys, we will play at smooth and ultra because that are the maximum settings that we get or default by default, like with the game itself on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So on the screen guys, you can see I have got the FPS number as well, so we can see the current FPS, and at ultra FPS it should stay consistent at about 40 FPS. So starting with the gameplay guys, I will be playing a TDM match guys, and not a full-fledged match because it takes a lot of time to play a whole match guys, and then again to edit it is a big hassle for me. So I'll be playing a TDM match in which you will get a brief idea as to how the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max performs in PUBG. If you are concerned and if you are buying this phone for gaming, then this is the perfect video for you guys. So on screen you can see the value of the FPS clearly, so just keep an eye on that. And guys, also just don't judge my gameplay because guys, I'm not a pro player, not a pro PUBG player by any means guys. Just I am a normal guy who plays PUBG. So just see the quality of the gameplay and how well the device runs while playing PUBG Mobile at 40 fps, which is smooth and ultra settings.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Cover me! Expired! Dead!
Killing spree for the red
Mark the
team!
location.
Cover me! Reloading!
Watch out!
Red team victory!
So guys, as you saw in this first match with the default smooth and ultra settings at 40 FPS, the device performed exceptionally well. I wasn't expecting this performance from the 732G because on the Poco X3 the performance was not good. But with this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the performance has been really good, at least in the smooth and ultra settings. So right now guys, in the second half of the video, as I told you, we will be playing PUBG Mobile at the smooth and extreme settings with the help of GFX tool. But sadly, on the Note 10 Pro Max, as it is running on Android 11, GFX tool will not work on Android 11. So for using the smooth extreme settings, basically you will have to use a config file, and with the help of that config file only guys, I have enabled 60 FPS and this 90 FPS option, as you can see on the screen in the graphics menu here. At smooth and extreme, I have got like smooth extreme setting basically works, and if you put it on 90 FPS again, if someone of you has a doubt, then it doesn't work. Even at 90 FPS it only gives you like 60 FPS performance. So for 90 FPS to work, I think your display should also be a 90 Hz display. But in the case of this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, it is a 120 Hz display guys. So I guess that's the reason why 90 FPS is not working, but at least extreme, smooth extreme at 60 FPS is working absolutely fine. There are no issues. I will again switch into smooth extreme in lobby and combat as well, and click on OK to save the settings here in extreme. Okay, so I have applied the smooth extreme settings guys, and now we will again play a TDM match and see whether we get consistent 60 FPS performance or not. So on screen again, you can see the FPS value. Right now again it is showing around 59 to 60 FPS, which is a good thing, at least in the lobby. So let's see how the device performs in the whole TDM match again at smooth and extreme settings.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Kill! Expired! Cover me! Nice shot! Kill! Reloading! Expired!
Killing spree for the red team!
shot! Reloading! Expired! Red team victory!
So guys, as you saw again in this match with smooth and extreme settings at 60 FPS, the device was pretty consistent. It was giving around 55 to 60 FPS consistently. So guys, now that you have seen the whole gameplay without GFX tool and with GFX tool at 40 and 60 FPS respectively, finally concluding the video, in my opinion, what I think is that the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is really a great phone in terms of gaming performance as well. At ultra settings also, it was consistently throwing about 40 FPS throughout the whole first TDM match, and with GFX tool at smooth extreme 60 FPS also, it was consistently giving about 55 to 60 FPS throughout the whole gameplay. And also one more thing to note is that we to make this videos, guys, I have to do screen mirroring. So with screen mirroring and screen recording turned on too, this phone didn't disappoint at all. So it was giving consistent performance throughout the whole gameplay. So overall, this is a great phone for the price tag of about 19,000 rupees. You are getting a stellar package of 120 Hz AMOLED screen. Then secondly, it is to do with the processor and this camera. So this is a great phone if you are someone who is looking to buy this phone just for gaming. Then also you can definitely go for it. This phone just won't disappoint you at all. So guys, that's about it for this whole PUBG Mobile gaming review of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, guys. And if you seem to like this video, then please hit the like button down below, guys, and also do consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss my upcoming videos of the Note 10 Pro Max. With that being said, this is your boy Kaustubia from Tech to Explore signing off. Until then, keep exploring.